There are some such villages in Indonesia, in the village where snakes are grown in every house. These are the poisonous snakes that everyone sees, running away in fear. And they keep all these snakes. And they make billions of dollars every year. This snake skin is made of various types. Pricey bag shoes. There are many different types of wallets and a variety of expensive clothes. They are sold abroad at very high prices. Besides Indonesia, snake meat is very popular in China and Japan. Moreover, snake biting medicine is made with snake venom. Also in Thailand, snake blood special juice is eaten, and after eating it, the elderly can become stronger like the young. They think when they drink Azes, old people will regain their youth. There are many different species of snakes in the world. Those who cultivate snakes are worldless and without venom. These two types of snakes. But most of the time they are more of a venomous snake, because they are sold at high prices. But this snake is a very easy task. These snake farmers go into the deep forest to admit the snake. Then they are the bushes of the forest, or collect snakes from under the ground. Then they created a farm. This farm has a lot of small annoyances like pigeon nests. Different types of snakes are kept in these small nests. Those are poisonous snakes. They are kept apart. And those who are poison-free, they are kept apart. And every day, snakes are allowed to eat a variety of foods, including frogs. The house that is prepared for the snake, sand is given in her, so that everyone can live comfortably. It feels like home. The temperature there is also kept warm. When it's time to lay eggs, then they are taken to a different place, where all the egg neighborhood systems are located. From this egg to the moment before the baby hatched, all those snakes are there. Then these little snakes are separated. When these snakes slowly become adults, then the poison is removed from them. This poison later bought the drug company, and they make millions from there. This snake meat is later made. They are sold in the market. All snakes are poison-free. They are sold separately in the market. They are cleaned out of the garbage. Then they are marketed. Thailand, Japanese and sugar snake meat and soup are very popular, especially China. This food is very popular in Japan and Indonesia. Besides, the skins of all snakes are very thick, good quality. They are sent to the factory. In this factory, different types of clothing are made with leather. These include bag, belt, wallets, and jackets, along with their own country, sold in international markets. Also, blood is collected separately in this snake. People in China eat them. The snake is also not thrown away. They will be separated in the sun. They are sent to make historic medicines. With the gallbladder of this snake, many expensive drugs are made. No snakes are thrown away. Python, from the common snake skin is more expensive. These python skins are well dried, shipped to factory, and in the factory, different things are made with them. Let me show you at a glance how frog meat is made. You might be surprised to hear, what is frog meat doing again? The farm is currently growing. A lot of frogs are farmed in the Guangdong country. These include China, Japan, Malaysia, exported to different countries. This meat is a very profitable business. Frog meat is very popular in China and Japan. They think it's a very nutritious food. The bank is collected first of all to observe the bank. Then they are brought to the farm. After a certain time when their meeting season is over, then the female bank makes a special noise. As a result, male banks are attracted to them. Then they meet. Then the female banks lay eggs. Within 1 to 3 weeks, Guangxi comes out of the eggs. They are kept in a separate water tank. And there they grow slowly. Slowly, they become adult banks. Those who farm banks, they divide the banks into small and medium-sized. Then, they are given different foods according to their size. They are fed various fish, foods with vitamins and minerals. All those banks that are in tankers, they are cleaned after a certain period of time. Let the tank not accumulate in the bacteria. When banks become adults, then fill them in this way. It is sent to the factory, as required in the factory. They are marketed by cutting and processing. People in China don't eat. People of China, the chair eats everything except the table. What is your opinion on this? Would you ever want to know? How are they cultivated? Seeing that will make you stuck in fear. In addition, snake blood juice is made in China. And playing this blood juice will make something happen to your body. That will make your cow hair stand up after, you know. Moreover, such a special thing is made with the brass of a snake, which is important for people. We are going to find out in this video today how poisonous snakes are cultivated in China. What is cultivated in addition to yoga? With wit, we are afraid of all the animals we see. How they are cultivated. You can find out everything in today's video, so definitely watch the video at the end. First, there is the joke farming process. You can see this is the normal age. And they are cultivated. Yeah, heard right. Normal cows, goats, and poultry. Chickens are also grown on the farm. I can tell with guarantee. Perhaps you have never dreamed before. Age may be cultivated. How are these ages cultivated? Seeing that will make your cow hair stand upright. This weird animal is farmed in China. This is an easy task. 9. Orgasms here deal with the risk of life. As you know, age sucks human blood. Even this animal is through the private part of people. It can enter the body. Into the human body, they can cause death in a moment. But in China, this animal is kept on farms. And they celebrate it every year. It is being sold for millions of dollars. But now the question is, how they do this yoga? And what do they do with it? What are all these people letting yoga eat? When we look at the age, we are stuck in fear, but most of us don't know that there is something specially beneficial aspect to this. This is a very beneficial animal for humans. We have about 700 species ages on Earth. 100 species live in the sea. Of these, 90 species are found in the pond. The age of many species. They live in different environments, including mud. This one can survive an age of about 2 years. When a part of their body is cut off, it can be rebuilt. Although many people are afraid of the age, but it is cultivated in different farms in China. Because there are many beneficial qualities in this age, used to prepare different types of medicines. Just like that, it is used directly in the work of various diseases. The main food of this age is the blood of various animals. They also eat snails and earthworms. These foods are given to them on the farm. Then slowly, they lay eggs, and they are kept in the mud. After a certain time, the kid comes out. They are kept in the farm's special water. They are regularly fed. They are often allowed to eat blood. When they become adults, then they are dried in the sun. After drying in the sun, they were sent to the medical department, also with the help of it. In ancient times, various historical medicines were made. It is also used in plastic surgery. With the help of this era, people's faces are treated. Breast treatment. Different types of treatment. Moreover, this era can treat various diseases in humans, including blood cells. This era is cultivated in huge quantities every year in Korea. Then, they are exported to Europe and the Americas. It has now spread widely across the continent.